All right, this is John Heinzel, Next Gen Driver Training, and I'm just doing a quick introductory video of what the Next Gen Driver Training System is. You can see we are a simulator-based driver training, professional driver training outfit, whereby we come to train on your location. There's my trailer. Gonna head into my trailer. Now we are inside the trailer, and currently my trainer, Bob Arnold, is driving the Barrage VIA 600 full motion truck simulator. It's a full motion, full sound truck simulator. He's got a full-size truck steering wheel, a virtual truck dash. Right now he's driving a 10-speed manual semi-truck and trailer. We also have straight trucks, automatic transmissions, large school buses, pickup trucks. We can change panning over to the instructor control station, where we can change the weather, the time of day, and the scenarios. Then on the right is our instructor debrief station, where we capture the scenarios and use those for recording and further training. It's a great system, built to serve our clients, built to save lives and save money. Thank you.